Growing up at Kakuma refugee camp, situated in one of the poorest regions in Kenya, could not possibly have been a walk in the park for Mariam Nur Yusuf. The 20-year-old first-year student at St. Paul University, who now owns a tour and travel company, is quite practically the embodiment of, to use the words of American rapper Drake, started from the bottom, now here we are. This 20-year-old girl has defied all the odds stacked against her. This is the story of how her journey has been so far, from Kakuma refugee camp to becoming the CEO of a tours and travel company. Mariam remembers 2009 as one of the most miserable periods of her life. It is the year she lost her father, who to this day they have never had the chance to bury. In the subsequent years following the untimely passing of her father, who was the family breadwinner, life got tough for Mariam and her remaining family members, her mother and 3 siblings, and they were forced to move out of their flat in Umoja to Kakuma refugee camp in pursuit of relief, food and shelter. The ordeal there was never better, as she later contracted meningitis, an inflammation of the membranes that surrounds the brain and the spinal cord.
In 2009, when my father died, we left for Kakuma. Life in Kakuma was very terrible. I was in class 3 at the time, and we were given milk cards every month, and the United Nations would give us cooking oil, few kilograms of maize and rice. The area also had scorpions and snakes, which were poisonous.
According to Mariam, when life became tougher in Kakuma, her mother scored around for some little money, which they used as transport fare and moved to Isili, Nairobi.
There is no need We started living with people in Isili. My mother used to wash utensils and brought us leftovers.
The family later shifted back to where it all began in Umoja, where a Good Samaritan sponsored the primary school education of Mariam and her siblings. In 2013, while in class 7, Mariam finished writing her first book titled I Will Be Back, based on the last words her father spoke to them before he left home on the day he met his demise. The book was, however, not published at the time because a publishing house rejected it, saying she was young and incompetent. She took the manuscript to another publisher, and it was not until 2017 when the book was first published. After her final secondary education examinations in 2018, Mariam was early this year employed by a tour and travel company where she worked for 3 months before resigning due to health issues. In April, using the experience she got from her former employer, Mariam started her own tour and travel company known as Black Beast Safaris in order to get a source of income for her health medication and university education. Mariam's passion is to become a journalist.